Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Thank you for coming back to watch another video from me. I'm so excited. I'll be doing a part 2 for the unboxing, the huge Jumia unboxing video. Like you'll notice that the part 1 was so lengthy, so I had to cut the clip and make like a part 2 session for you guys, so you guys can get to see everything. And the last one I tried to unbox and explain everything and how it works and how it's being used, and that was why the video got so lengthy. So this is a part 2 section unboxing my new ring light. I am super excited. So right now I'm not using the ring light because I have to unbox it. So let's dive right into unboxing it. So guys, I got this. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Got these items, and I told you already that I already unboxed it because I need to be sure that what I'm buying is what it is. So I already told it to power it to be sure it's working. So that is why you see the rubbers and the package so torn. This shit is heavy. So I won't like to keep time or take time in this video. Let's just go over to unboxing it and voila. But first I would like to talk about the little things in the ring light before I head over to mantling or assembling the ring lights. Okay, so please guys, stay tuned and watch till the end. So guys, the first thing I would like to show you guys are the 2 batteries that I use to power my tripod. My tripod is a rechargeable one, so I got 2 batteries I'll use to power it. And these batteries are out here. They are naked because I wanted to charge, and they gave me this battery charger here as well. They're out here because I have to charge them. So these are the first 3 things. This is a battery charger, and it has this something that you plug into the socket and it charges. And then when the battery is low, it shines red, but when it's full, it shines green. The light turns green. So guys, the next thing I would like to unbox is the stand, and this is how it comes in. Take off the carton, and this is the stand on which the ring light sits or stands. I don't know, a lot of stands are coming up. It has this lock that when you undo, kind of loses the legs and makes it expands. So let's try this. I hope I'm not tightening it the more. I think I was. Wow. So I just got a hand of it and loosen the up. It keeps opening up. That's what I'm talking about. So there's this other knob here that you have to loose for men. So you just expand the leg. It opens up and keep opening up. And for you to keep it secured, you just open it from, lock it back, and it's secured. You see it? Okay, so now it's secured, and we're just gonna try to pull it open, and we secure that knob there. So now it's secured. Guys, I'm not good at unboxing things. And now we have a stand, and this one you just open it up to. I'm working anti-clockwise, I don't understand why. And it's up it can go as high. It is very, very high. It's 18 inches. Yeah, that is what I'm buying. Yeah, 18 inches. So this is the 18 inches, and then I lock it back. Okay, let me try and reduce the height of the board so you guys can see. So I'll leave it here to see. So now we are moving on. We have the curtain, the ring light. So I'm not ready to tear this curtain because I think it's going to do a lot of good for me. And in this curtain we have there's the packet for the charger. Here we have the adapter charger. Okay, so this is the adapter charger. I can use my ring light when there is power supply and when I'm out of power supply, so it's a good thing. I am so happy. So this is the adapter charger for my ring light. Okay, and another thing here, we have the tripod gears in case you want to film with your ring light. I have the stands here for you guys. So this is what the stand looks like. It's similar to the one on the tripod, so you can even use this in your tripod because I'm sure it's the same measurements. And this is the knob that locks it to the tripod. I got a free bag for my laptop, my ring light, I mean, the free bag, and this is what the bag looks like. I'm sure you can travel with this bag with your ring light in it. So we are opening it up. Yeah, opening up. This bag is quality. I never expected it to be like that. I'm just saying, probably I've never bought something really big from Jumia before. This is my first time, and I'm super impressed. Okay, so Jumia, you guys did me a solid. Okay, so this is the ring light, and these are the filters. Here I have a white filter, orange filter, and a white filter. I'm sure you guys know about this, but I'll still throw more lights on it. This work is something. So this is the LED ring light. Ooh! Oh my god. So yeah, I have to show you guys this before we move on. This is where you connect it to the stand. This is where you regulate the light, either high or low. You regulate it. This knob, it regulates the light. And this is the power. Okay, this is the power button where you turn on and turn off the ring light. So we're just gonna untie this knob and fix our ring light to the stand. So I assemble the ring light. Make sure it's connected well, guys, to stand. So now it's fixed. Done. I forgot to talk about this knob. If you can see this knob is to regulate it. If you want it to come down, then tighten it. So now I'll attempt to fix the filter. I think I'll use the yellow one and see what it looks like because I've never tried it before. So let me use the yellow one and see what it looks like. I've been all over the white filter. This is what it looks like. So it has just four blah 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 blah. I don't know. So let's try fixing the filters. Okay. in the batteries and we turn our ring light on. So this battery goes because of this eye hole there. I don't know if you can see it, my camera is kind of blur, and so I'm just gonna try to put the battery. We turn in our ring light, we turning it and turning it and turning it on. Okay, I wish I could get the darkest part of the room. You see it, guys, you see it. So you regulate it by, oh my god, oh my god, I can't see myself, like oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh, this filter is so cute. Like, how do they even take this professional stuff? I don't know. So this is a ring light, yay! And this is the yellow filter. The yellow filter, I know no one can see me. This is the yellow filter. You can always regulate the light, make it full, make it low, like really low, make it really full. You get it? Get it? Get it? I just feel like filming a YouTube video right now. I don't know. Let me turn it to myself and see if you guys can see me. Okay! Yay! Yay! Sweet! Superb! Okay. Okay. Look good. Maybe we should try the white filter, but first we're gonna blast music.
Pull the key out the ignition, running mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit, wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor. Never been sicker, I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Telling me you want me bad, but no, it's all in. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor. Never been sicker, I'm not sober with you. You know what you're doing, baby. 'Cause I'm not stupid. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor. Never been sicker, I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more.
And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, boom, bamo, oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Bamo, 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 life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, boom, bamo, oh, and I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, boom, bamo, oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Bamo, 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 life could be a dream. And I ding dong.
light filter looks like. I'm sure you see it. It looks so good. So I hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know what you'll be waiting for. I don't know what you are waiting for. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? So with that said, I'm so happy. At last I can film whenever I want. This is not the highest resolution of the light. This is the lowest, I think. And this is the highest. Yeah. Look good. Oh my god. So I'm super exhausted. Unboxing videos are really hard to do. So tired, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, peace.